Hello again. So today we're out in the motorcycle trailer. This is a Maztec meter that I bought from Harbor Freight. This particular meter is one of three that I purchased maybe 9 years ago or so. I had given this to a friend of mine and he returned it. It had a problem with the display and I tried to repair it, but you can see it's got the same problem if I push right here. So I've kept this in the trailer ever since he returned it, and I basically use it out here to work on the motorcycles and whatnot, and it's fine for that. So I thought what I'd do today is run some accuracy tests on this using our test box. So let's just start in the resistance range. This will be a 100 ohm resistor. This will be with a 50. This meter does not have a rel. This will be a 1k ohm. Pretty good. This will be a 10k ohm. This will be a 100k ohm. And this will be a 1 mega ohm. And this will be a 10 mega ohm. You can see it's pretty slow. It takes a long time to settle. Looks like that's it. Fairly close. Let's try it in the voltage modes. Unfortunately, with this box, all we have is our 5-volt reference. Let's just go ahead and give that a try. Fairly good, 4.97. Let's try that on the 200 volt scale. 4.9, and let's try it on 1000 volts. Looks like 4 volts. This will be with a square wave. Again, it's switching between 0 and 5 volts. So this being an averaging meter, this would be 2.5 times pi over the square root of 8. I had somebody write me some time ago that, you know, it's actually pi over the square root of 3 or something. I don't know, some BS number they threw out in the air. Again, this information is readily available in most manuals for the meters. You know, if you don't know what you're talking about, just go out and read the manual. Let's try it here. So 2.69, it's about right. This should be roughly 70 volts. Looks pretty good. Alright, so to test the capacitance mode, I've just got a couple of clips. Again, capacitance, current. You know, I don't use any of these features out in the trailer. This may be the first time I've ever even looked at capacitance. So you've got these little slot connectors here. Let's just hook these in. We'll see if this works. So this is a 1 nanofarad capacitor. Looks pretty good. Let's try it with our 0.1 microfarad. Should be 100 nanofarads. Looks pretty good. This is our 1 microfarad capacitor. Looks good. And this is our 10 microfarad capacitor. Again, looks fairly good. Just try our temperature. Again, you can see it just kind of pushed the leads in, and this should be roughly 500 degrees Celsius. Looks good. Let's try adjusting it down. So this would be roughly 24 degrees, and this should be 1040. Looks like the gain's a little off, but no big deal. Typically when I'm using this for temperatures, I'm looking at the exhaust, and basically I'm just trying to get an idea how evenly the exhaust temperatures are from pipe to pipe. So again, absolute accuracy for me, not a big deal. So there you go. Again, this meter is, I think, close to 10 years old now. Still works fine, other than, you know, the display's having some issues. But it's getting thermal cycled out in the trailer. It's been dropped several times. Again, for the price they're selling these for, you're not expecting a meter like this to last very long. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Try to keep it short. Till next time, later.